How to see old Discord server you left. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Press launch a web browser, search discord.com and you will land on this interface. Click open Discord and log into your account. Wait for a few moments. Wait for a few moments. Now once you are here, make sure that you have already logged into your account. And after that, you need to first of all go to a particular server, which is basically this at bottom or top left. And now click on the arrow at top right of the server. And then click on service settings. Here you need to scroll down and from this left panel, select delete server button. And here you have to enter your full server name and then click on delete server. After that, you need to skip from the section. Make sure that you remember the server's link, or you can also copy that link and paste it anywhere. After that, click on this add a server button at bottom left corner, and here you need to click on join a server. And after that, here you need to enter the link of that server and then click on join server. And in this particular way, you can easily know that the old server that we have left on Discord. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.